Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at these headlights. They're a bit worn out now. We've got some E-Tech lens remover. We'll try this, see how easy it is to get off, and then we're going to respray it again. Stuff doesn't last very long, but it's cheap, so let's go. What we're going to do first is fully clean off the light, get it fully dry, and then we can start applying it. Now the lens is fully dry, we're going to start working on it with this. So we're applying it to the brush, not to the light. As you can see, it's coming up quite nicely that, so we'll keep at it and come back. That's all the tint off the headlight. Use some mighty melt just to make sure we've got everything off there. Looking a bit cloudy, so we're going to hit it with some 3000 grit wet and dry and some Ceriglass, and we'll get that polished up and looking nice. You can already see a massive difference. That's not been done yet. So I'll finish that off now. And there we have it. Headlights restored back to normal. Let me know what you guys think. Hope that's helped anyone. I'll see you in the next video.